Well, Hare Krishna, as committed by me, and there are a lot of concerns were there regarding like Guruji, we need your content in English also. So this is in terms of commitment. Now I am going ahead with this thing, and today we are opening this channel specifically for South Indian audiences as well as international audiences. Now, my concern is like how we are going to actually understand, seep in deep into all those spiritual aspects which are actually very important for mankind, for development of humanity, for understanding the aspects as I mentioned so many times. Like there is a lot of gap is internationally there is a gap when basically when I talk about these gaps, these I mean to say कि where our approach our approach at this time is current like, focused on capitalism. I mean to say I hope you are connecting with my point. Capitalism is not the ultimate thing which you are actually you have to achieve. You have to actually foremost important thing is you have to actually understand human, connect with the human aspects so that you can develop upcoming generations. Nowadays, as we all know, we are going through a critical phase of Kali Yuga, and like this is the just 5,000 years have passed, another 5,000 years when we will be expecting the Ghor Kali Yuga. So now situation is actually we need to work very systematically in terms of our approach. We need to actually connect with the human aspects very deeply so that these values can be transferred or like to upcoming generations also. I hope you are getting my point what I mean to say. And in this channel we are going to understand lot of things, things related to your like how to find your inner peace. Okay, mindfulness, you're at specifically at this digital age, mindfulness is a challenge these days. You have to understand this thing. And healing through meditation, how actually we can heal. If today if I so many disciples comes, Guruji, we are not able to focus. Look, focus is a it's a matter of practice. Focus doesn't come in just one day. You have to actually work in the steps. There are steps. We have to work in the baby steps, I would say. Our approach should be systematic, very simple, and the most important thing is at the end of the day, here we are not going to win something. Life itself is a reward, we have to understand. Okay, a lot of people are talking about manifestation these days. Okay, manifestation simply is a wonderful technique. If you are able to implement manifestation, if you are able to visualize your thought. If today I ask you, you visualize your you fix your self image, it will be very difficult for the people ask like, Guruji, we are not able to see ourselves, I am not able to see my own image, because visualization is a practice and you never did that. So at Gurukul specifically, we try to concentrate all those aspects of the life where with a very simple approach we can fix all those aspects. These are some of the challenges actually which I'm just sharing with you. And at the with the if I'm getting this channel done, I'm bringing this channel from last 4 years. I'm giving the content in Hindi only, and then further, like a lot of calls are coming and a lot of students requested that we need the content in English also. So we are ready to give, but the most important thing is ki, are you ready to implement? You have to think this way. I hope you're getting my point. Spiritual awakening is very important factor, very foremost important ultimate. Look, there are two kind of goals we have as us, like in our life. One is one goal of yours belongs to Rahu. Another goal of yours belongs to Ketu. Okay, when you talk about your spiritual goals, your meditational aspects, your healing aspects, everyone today, a lot of money people are having money, but still they are not contented, they are not happy. Why it's happening? Because you are completely ignoring the Ketu. Everyone is rushing behind Rahu. Everyone needs bangla, gadi, lot of materialistic hitches are having people. Like, that's fine, you can have lot of materialistic hitches. At the end of the day, you are having your five indris. But as our ancestors are also like said very correctly, this is sankalpa shakti. This sankalpa shakti we actually have to implement. Okay, with the help of sankalp shakti only, we will be able to implement all these aspects. And as I told you, your approach should be very simple. Hardly, initially, if you are busy, you are engrossed with lot of responsibilities, fair enough, I agree. But we have to understand, at the end of the day, your life is your responsibility, your spiritual growth is your responsibility. Capitalism is not the ultimate thing. You are having a lot of money, that is not the ultimate thing. Mental peace is very, very important for human. Try to bring that to your life. I hope you are getting my point. And why you are not able to implement? Sometimes people lack gratitude. People don't have gratitude. People think there is a element called I. Everyone is stuck with I. You have to actually leave, or you, I would say, remove this I. That is the power of gratitude. If no one has, if at this point, if I ask you, you have to surrender yourself to your guru or to god. But that surrender will not come immediately. Rather, it's a matter of practice also, as I told you. But we have to understand. Recently there was a survey conducted by some of the agency, that is, I think, BARN something agency was there, where I found that reading that survey report, like 74% of the US people are urging for the spiritual growth. But how they will urge? For that, we are actually putting our level best. We have already bring a huge ashram in like at Vadodara. And we are specifically organizing program for our international audiences also. It's 10 days, 20 days, 30 days meditation programs are there. You can always be part of them. And since um, where we have to actually understand what are your energy chakras, how healing happens, what is the process. And people are in the pain. Why people are in the pain? Because they have ignored their relationship with the spirituality. They are having fears. So all these aspects we are going to handle with the help of this channel. And try to now understand astrology, vastu shastra, ayurveda, and connect them and bring them into your life. As I most of the time I used to say, astrology, vastu shastra, meditation, all these are basically it's your jivan shaili, it's your daily routine. Actually, if you will not fix your routine, you won't be able to achieve anything. So this is a very simple tip I would like to give you here. You have to check very closely with your routine, how you are implementing your life day by day, and it's passing. So with this note, guys, I'll end this video, and looking forward for your more comments and your engagement, and looking forward for your questions. Okay, now ask the questions, I'll reply. And I'm always there with you. RBJ Gurukul is always there with each one of you. If you need anything from us, we are always there. So, Hare Krishna, Namaskaram, and welcome to Guru Parayan, new channel by RBJ Gurukul. Thank you.